Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find all live photos in Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Photos app. Then right here tap at Albums and then just scroll down until at Media Types you will find Live Photos. Now it says that I have 81 live photos and I can get into it to filter out all the live photos without having to search for live photos in gallery. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.